Hey, in this video we're going to look at creating a social post in the Look a Brand Kit. I'm going to start on the Instagram posts page, which I've navigated to in my left menu in the brand kit. And that's going to generate a bunch of designs with my logo, my brand colors, and also some photos and sample text related to my industry, which is coffee. I'm going to click into a design I like, and that's going to take me to the brand kit editor where I can make all sorts of changes to the design. I'm going to start by clicking into this white box because I noticed there are two boxes here and I think I only want one. So I'm going to click on the back box, and you can click any element you don't like on your designs and click delete, and that will just remove them instantly. Next, I'm going to change some text. So I'm just going to double click on this text and change it here. You can also change the font or this font size here. You can use this toggle. Whoa. You can use this toggle to adjust the size. You can click on any piece of text to move it around. You can use the lines to help you center everything. Well, I'm going to next change the background image, and to do that, simply click on the background and click Replace Image here on your left menu. And you can either upload your own image or use a stock image from Unsplash, which is integrated right into the brand kit. So I just click that and search coffee, and then I can browse all sorts of images and add any one of these to my design. Click Add, and that's going to take you back to your design. And you can scale it before you add it in if you want, and then click Apply Image, and as you'll see, your background will change. Next, I'm just going to do some quick changes again to this white box because as you can see, it's blocking some of the image. So what you can do is just scroll down to the bottom of your left menu. You can do this for photos or colored boxes like this. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a transparency toggle. And what you can do here is adjust that a little bit. So just lower the transparency, and that's going to let some of the image peek through. So you can still see a bit of the image, but read the text. Great, I like how that's looking. So when you're done, you can click Export here, and you can either download the post, or you can actually post to Instagram and Facebook from the brand kit. So if I click Post to Instagram, as you can see, I've integrated with the Look at Design Instagram account. So to do this, you'll just need to set up a few permissions that allow the brand kit and your social platform to connect. And once you've done that, you can enter your text and post directly there. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating.